Book club. Today I'm reviewing a cookbook. So it's called A Change of Appetite, and it's where healthy meets delicious. And that's true. So when I was reading the story of Diana Henry, she has been always struggling with weight. So she loves food. She was eating and cooking unhealthy food until she met a nutritionist and she understood that she can still enjoy delicious Michelin star creative recipes. And this is so beautifully done with the pictures. So it's according to the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And she is using healthy and very unusual food. So oh, this is beautiful. So this is a beetroot and poppy seed loaf cake. So we know that beetroot is high in nitric oxide and non-heme iron. We know that poppy is 10 times higher in calcium than milk products. And she is always using buckwheat flour. That's what I love, because I'm a buckwheat queen. She has, for example, even nice recipes for anchovies and green beans. Let me find beautiful pictures of, she has granola, vegetables, kale pesto with whole wheat linguine. So it's not depriving from carbohydrates. It's wasabi as well, so it's from all around the world. I highly recommend buying this book. She explains very nicely how to bake the bread. Absolutely amazing.